So today I'm reviewing these heavy duty box litter liners. If you have those machines, where your cat goes into the machine and then they do their business. When they come out, like it rotates, and it removes their waste, and then it's like clean litter again. And then like at the bottom you need to have bags. For people who don't know that, I don't have a cat myself, but I did my own research. And these are heavy duty. It can like do up to 22. It can carry 22 pounds of waste, I'm pretty sure. But I recommend you to look at the product page of their to see if this is good for you. And look at this. Honestly, you can use this as a bathroom trash bag, or like a little trash bag you had. That's what I'm gonna be using it for, because I don't have cats, but I do have dogs, and it still intrigued me to see the bag of all this too. Like, does it break easily? Well, let's see. Let's see. Let me grab it good. It does. It does. Be careful. If your cat will mess with this, yeah, it breaks really easily. So as long as it does its job, it doesn't matter. But it says it can hold 22 pounds of stuff. So that's nice. And there's like a lot of other uses for this. Like, you don't have a cat with you at the moment, or you plan on having a cat or anything like that, and you want to be prepared, I definitely do recommend this. It comes with a lot. Like, I'm saying a lot. Like, look, this whole roll plus all of these. And the rolls are pretty heavy, so I recommend you to store them somewhere. Always have like one whole thing nearby your machine, so when it gets full, you can take it out and quickly not look for another one, and just replace it with the bag you have. But I really like it. Doesn't have a scent or anything. No scent, nothing. It's just a plain bag, because fragrances are pretty bad for your pets. So like, doesn't matter cat or dog. And yeah, I definitely would recommend this product if you don't want to handle the mess. You just have to pick it up from the machine after it's full, and you just throw it in the trash. You don't have to scoop up anything or do any of the hard labor. It makes it easier, and you don't have to. It's more clean, more sanitized. So I definitely would recommend this product, especially if you're thinking of investing into the litter machine boxes, or you already have one. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream, and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself, or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know, so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.